Hey, this is Colton with Central Alps, and we've got this 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. We installed a 4-inch Readylift kit. These are some tips and tricks that you may want to follow if you're doing this at home. Tip 1, when installing this 4-inch Readylift kit, you're going to want to use a transmission jack to hold up your rear cross member. Moving on to tip number 2, when installing this kit, you're going to want to drop the differential and trim the differential cover. Tip number 3, my last and final tip, you're going to want to trim the cooling fin on your truck. Those are our tips and tricks for installing this 4-inch Readylift kit on your 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500s. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in our DMs at Central Alps, and we'll have an answer to each and every single one of your questions, and we'll get the build process going.